to the Power Master mufflers by Ripco, available with your choice of 4 different baffles. When equipped with the recommended size baffle, we guarantee they will never turn blue. You need no downloads, no remapping, no retuning of any kind. And they give you that great deep throaty sound that every Harley needs.